The Bentley Supersports is a special edition of the Continental GT that goes far beyond badges and elegant wheels. The brand calls it the most driver-focused Bentley ever, and it is essentially a stripped-down, to the extent Bentley allows, track version of the Continental GT. Bentley aims to commence manufacturing in Q4 2026, with deliveries beginning in 2027. Only 500 will be made in a limited run, each individually numbered. Bentley dropped the plug-in hybrid for Supersports. It only has the twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, which produces 657 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Instead of the Porsche PDK used in the normal Continental GT, this engine is mated to a ZF 8-speed double-clutch transmission, and unlike any other Continental GT, all of the power is directed to the rear wheels. The Supersports is the Continental GT's first rear-wheel drive model. The Bentley Supersports has unique aero elements such as the largest front diffuser ever mounted to a Bentley, a rear diffuser, and a fixed rear wing. The removal of the PHEV system accounted for a significant portion of the weight loss. However, the Supersports features a carbon fiber roof, dive planes, side sills, and fender blades. Bentley also transformed the interior into a performance-focused space by removing the back seats and their accompanying seatbelts, audio system, and noise insulation. Up front, there are improved sports seats that sit lower and are substantially bolstered. Buyers can select 22 main hide colors, 11 secondary hide colors, and 9 accent hide colors. For the interior, buyers can also replace the interior carbon fiber look with a diamond brush look, engine-turned aluminum in a dark tint finish, or piano black for those who prefer looking at fingerprints.